We are describing our Color Trends 2025 palette as quietly colorful hues. These are colors that can't be defined as just red, green, violet, or gray. There's an intricacy to these colors, there's nuances in their undertones. Paint colors are created using multiple pigments. These pigments blend to create the different tints, shades, and tones of the paint colors that we love. And that is what results in undertones. Our Color of the Year 2025 Cinnamon Slate encapsulates this idea of quietly colorful hues. It's a delicate mix of heathered plum and velvety brown. If you wanted to bring out the plum undertones in Cinnamon Slate, I would consider pairing it with gold wood tones, ambers, and golds. If you wanted to try to get it to cast a little bit more neutral, consider bringing in cooler lighting and cooler colors or plum colors to try to get it to balance out. And this is why sampling is really important. Sampling will help you get a better understanding of how that color is going to react once it's in the space.